Hi and welcome to Shop Rjpasini for great deals on eBay. Today I want to talk about the Sony e-reader. I have a display table set up over there and I want to go over a few details about this item, so please stick around. That's coming up. Thanks. Alright, here's what we got going on, folks. I don't want to get into too great a detail, but I want to just explain to you what's going on with this reader. Okay, first off, you're getting all the packaging that comes with it. Okay, this is what you're getting here. What you see here is you're getting all the documentation that comes with it. Okay, you're getting the startup guide, and you're getting the, like I said again, the limited warranty, which is Volanoid, of course. There's no warranty on this here, unfortunately. This item was purchased new, just to let you guys know. It was purchased new, and I just want to go over the functionality with it. Okay, I want to try to do this as quick as possible because I know sometimes I drag out my videos, so I don't want to keep you in suspense talking about what's going on with it, so on and so forth. The unit, as you can see right now, is powered on. You can see the screen, the menu screen here. However, the problem, I believe, and this is my intention, what I think the problem could be, is that I think it's the battery that's bad in here. Okay, if you do buy this here, and you are a tech guy that knows how to fix these things, I believe the battery is the problem. What's the culprit here? Because once you pull the AC adapter out, this thing will work. It'll functional. It is definitely a functional item. That's why I'm saying I believe it to be the battery. I have an AC adapter set up over here, which is a universal adapter, which I use to test all my items out, electronic items. So that is not included in the price. Okay, so keep that in mind. I would like to, on this particular item, I'm going to make all sales final. So I hope you guys that if you do decide to buy this item, you buy it with its intent, the intentions that you know the functionality of it. I'm going to go over that with you really quick, and we're going to take it from there. Let me start with the AC adapter. Now you can see the screen. I was testing out before. It's in a lock. It's like in a lock mode, whatever. Not actually a lock mode, but it's like you can't do anything. It's non-functional right now. Okay. This unit or this item will work with an AC adapter. Now, if you're going to buy an adapter for it, folks, it is you would have to get a 5.2 volt. Okay. Just keep that in mind. It will work with a 5.2 volt. It does come with the cable. This is everything you see is what it came with. It comes with the cable that you would plug into here, and then they tell you to plug it into your computer and leave your computer in an active mode while it's charging. They say at least wait, give it 5 minutes. A total charge, from what I've read in the instructions, is 4 hours. Now I had it with both ways. I had it with the AC adapter in it. Well, not the AC adapter. I had it with this plugged into my computer, and I left it on for a couple hours, and all I was getting was a red light, but the thing was not working. I believe this is, like I said, when I picked it up, it was new. It was sealed in a package, and it was resold. It was sold to a buyer. A buyer had sent it back to me, folks, just to let you know as to why it's back here. I had originally selling it for $89.99, I believe, with free shipping. However, when I do sell this item again, when it will go up on eBay, it will be a lower price, a real lower price, of course. And we'll have to pay. The person will be paying shipping on it. Okay, there will be no free shipping. This will be, you'll have to pay shipping on it. I'm going to plug in the AC adapter. Okay, now the adapter I have is a universal one. That's like a 4.5. This is a 5.2. If you're going to buy an adapter to match up on here, try to get the right one that goes with it, which would be a 5.2 volt DC in. This is a 4.5. I get with this universal adapter, you get different connectors here to connect to the peripheral. Okay, now the unit has been calibrated. Okay, when you first start it, you turn it on, little X's will appear over here and they move around. That's the calibration to calibrate the screen. And what you do is you take your stylus pen out here, and they'll tell you would keep poking at it. It goes back and forth like that, and then there'll be one in the middle. Once you do that, the unit is calibrated. Okay, I'm trying to think of what else I can tell you. Here's all your bottom function buttons here that you would press. Okay, as you can see, it's non-functional right now. Okay, it got like in a lock mode, but once I put this AC adapter in here, folks, I'm going to hit over. You're going to see a little amber light. I don't know if you can see that. It'll come up. Okay? Once you see the amber light, now it's red, okay? But once you see the amber light, look what happens, folks. Okay? You can see that it's opening up. It's saying Reader, opening book. Okay? Takes a little time to, I guess, energize. All right? And I'm doing this live, folks, so you can see it. No smoke and mirrors here. And as you can see here, folks, I know, I'm sorry about the glare. I apologize. You can see now you have a functional screen. Okay? And this is the return arrow. You got books. Now the books that came with it, this is what I believe was pre-installed in the reader itself. So if you pick a book out, okay, you give it time to load up. And here's the book. This is our Herman Koch Het Diner. Okay? And you would use these function keys to advance the next pages. Okay? So you can see it right here. All right, let's see. No, I know it works. Yeah, it should be going there. It's 2 of my pages. The print is super small. I don't know how to make it enlarge, folks, but that's what we got going on with this here. So you can see. I have to wear reading glasses, so for me, I can't use something like this here. My eyes, I wouldn't be able to see it. I'm sure there's a way to enlarge the print, but I don't know all the functionality myself. If you hit the options buttons here, it'll bring you back in here, and you'll see here, it'll say go to page, history, table of contents, search, create, edit notes, return to list. Okay. If you want to get back to the home page, you would click that on there, and now we're back to the home page. But folks, keep this in mind. Okay, please keep this in mind. Once you remove the AC adapter, okay, once this is removed, the item goes like in a sleep mode. You won't be able to function around with it. Okay, now I don't know if it's a setting in here that's something I didn't know how to set properly. It does have a power management thing. I don't know if it has anything to do with that, but it will work with an AC adapter. Okay, and just to let you know going forward, this is going to be an all sales are final on this here. There'll be no, I'm not accepting returns. So if you do decide to buy this, buy it with the intentions, that it will only work for now with the AC adapter plugged in. Now I'm going to show you once you take it out, it's non-functional. Okay, as you can see one more time, you can see I'm moving around. This is all live, folks. No smoke and mirrors. Okay, I'm going back to the books. You can see the screen there. I think you can without the glare bothering you. Sorry about that. I do apologize. Okay, and now you get back to the screen again. Okay, you're back to that same screen, the menu screen. Okay, now remember, as soon as I take it out, you're going to see it's not going to be functional. Okay, I'll put that over there. All right, and you can see as I'm moving around, I can't do anything. Nothing's functional. But once you put the AC adapter in, let's do it again. We're doing it live. Okay, here's where it goes, folks. Right there. Okay, hit that little light, you'll see amber. Once you see the amber, look what happens. Goes back to the operational mode. So my interpretation with the problem is, I think, again, I'm not a tech that fixes these things, but I'll lay odds that it has to be something to do with the battery. Now, I don't mess around with these things. I'm not going to take it apart. I'm not going to sit there and check the battery, stuff like that. I did call Sony up on that limited warranty, which the limited warranty is null and void. Okay, if you call up and ask for warranty, they're going to tell you we don't even make this anymore. This unit, I guess, is out of production. You can probably have it repaired at Sony. If you do, I don't know how much it would cost. I didn't go to those details with the gentleman and say how much it's going to cost. I don't have the time for it. I don't have the time to get into detail and tell the guy, yeah, give me the address, I'm going to send it out there and I'll get it repaired. If that's the case, then I'll have to charge a lot more than what I'm asking for. Okay, this is going to be reasonably priced. Okay, it's going to be good pricing, I think. It does function, but again, remember, it functions only with the AC adapter now. Okay, so basically, I'm not going to go dwell on it too much. As you can see, it does work again. Everything's back to normal. That's why I do these videos live, folks. Okay, you can see the books. Let's go back to the book mode. It does play 2 songs. I already tested it out. Here's the volume control here. It's going to pull this out. You know it's going to stop now. Everything's going to cease. See, it's like I said, it's not functional right now. I believe, like I said again, I think it's the battery. Also, you get 2 memory cards here, as you can see here. Let me pump up right there. So you get 2 of them here, right there. See? I got one there, and you got one here. Okay. Now, it's a shame that this item is like this because, again, it was bought brand new. It was sealed. The package was sealed. The buyer even left the tab in here when he cut off the top. He cut it on the sides and he cut the top off. You can see it's like that. See? It's a shame because the unit was brand new. It still is considered brand new, but well, now it's pre-owned. But I guess when I purchased it was brand new. But that's what we got going on. Here's what you're getting. The universal adapter again, folks. Just to recap, the universal adapter does not come with it. If you are going to buy this here with the intention of using it with an AC adapter, remember, get a DC in 5.2 volt. You do get all the documentation with it. You get the start guide, quick start guide, and you get the cable that goes with it to plug in to your computer. And again, you get an original packaging with it. Okay, I'm going to close this out. I'm going to close out the video. I'll be right with you. Thanks, guys. Okay, that concludes the video. I hope it helped out in any way, and that you understand that the functionality of this item here, that it will only work with the AC adapter plugged in it. If you are going to get one for this unit, if you are a potential buyer and you are going to get this unit to make it work, you will need a DC 5.2 volt AC adapter. The one, like I said, stated in the video is not included with it, so please keep that in mind. On this particular item, folks, there will be no best offers, and all sales will be final. I'm not accepting any returns, so please know what you're getting ahead of time. Okay, and what you see in the video is what you're getting. Okay, I hope this video helped out. I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. If you got anything out of this video, folks, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I'll drop the links below for you to check out my current listings right now that are on eBay. So I hope you'll stop back from time to time and check out my videos and check and see what I have to offer. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye bye now.